Hi everyone. Quick overview of this automation. The problem is creating simple websites manually takes time, especially for quick demos or MVPs. And our goal here is to automatically generate a basic website from a simple input. And the solution, this n8n workflow does that. A webhook receives the user input like business details. I send this data to Gemini AI. Gemini generates a simple website, HTML or CSS. The output is then returned or stored automatically. For example, as you can see, this is a prompt we already stored into Webhook. Based on this prompt, a website will be generated. Let's execute it. As you can see, website is generated. Now you can see the workflow instantly generates ready to use simple websites. And here we successfully automated website generation from a single input. Initially, formatting needed adjustment, but refining the prompt fixed the structure. Now the workflow reliably produces clean, simple website on demand. That's it.